rock me, hold me baby, you gotta rock me. Brand new volcanic oil absorbing roller. 100% natural, sustainable, eco-friendly and reusable. 2 balls are better than 1. And with Mirenesse, you get 2 balls. And what's so amazing about this is that if you get shine during the day, or you've got oily skin or acne skin and you want to absorb that oil, but you don't want to use tissues or blotters or extra powder on your skin, which can make your foundation look cakey, the brand new volcanic roller will not only remove the oil without disturbing your makeup, it's actually antibacterial and good for your skin as well. And it's really portable. You can carry it anywhere. Reusable, washable, and last you forever. So it's really, really a great product. So let me show you how. Wow, magic.